Imagine being in a scenario where you have no other option but to protect yourself. Your heart starts racing as your body fills with adrenaline and time begins to slow down. What would be your course of action? This isn't about brute strength. It's about mastering the mindset, technique, and strategy that make you unstoppable. In this video, we're going to learn how to fight like a professional. Stick around until the end, because in the final chapter of this series, I'm going to teach you one skill, if you master it, that will make sure that any violent situation never escalates into a physical altercation in the first place. Chapter 1. The Foundation. Mindset is everything. Point 1. Control your fear. Fear is what makes you lose a fight. Not being punched, not being kicked on the head. It's fear. And what I tell you is that you have to learn. Do not block it away. Do not stop it. You have to learn to control it. How to master. Never forget that you'll be nervous in certain situations. Use that nervousness to sharpen your concentration instead of allowing it to paralyze you. Practice breathing. When you're feeling pressure, breath in for 4 seconds, hold for 4, then exhale for 4. It's like a reset button for your mind. Fear is fire, and can either burn your house down or light your path. You decide? Point 2. The calm fighter. Win's adrenaline makes you want to rush, but rushing leads to mistakes. The calm fighter is always the most dangerous. How to master it. Practice visualization. Picture yourself staying composed in a chaotic scenario. Focus on your opponent's movements, not their aggression. Observation is your edge. Humorous pattern interrupt. Think of it like chess. If you start panicking because your queen's in trouble, you've already lost. Stay calm. Chapter 2. Mastering the techniques. The art of movement. Point 3. Build a strong foundation. Your stance is your base. It's what keeps you balanced and powerful. How to master it. Keep your feet shoulder-width apart, knees bent, and weight evenly distributed. Always stay light on your feet. Movement is your shield and your weapon. Quick question. What's scarier? Someone flailing wildly or someone who moves like they know exactly what they're doing? Point 4. Precision beats. Power throwing wild punches is like trying to win a race by sprinting in circles. Precision is what matters. How to master it. Aim for vulnerable areas, the jaw, solar plexus, or knees. Train for accuracy by striking a target slowly and with control. Build speed later. Cliffhanger. What if one well-placed strike could end a fight before it even begins? Point 5. Defense is your greatest weapon. The best fighters know when not to attack. Dodging, blocking, and evading save energy and create openings. How to master it. Practice head movements, slipping, ducking, and weaving. Use your hands to block effectively while maintaining balance. Fun reset. Remember, the best punch is the one you don't have to take. Chapter 3. Strategy. Fighting smarter, not harder. Point 6. Stay one step ahead. The fight doesn't start when the first punch is thrown. It starts in your mind. How to master it. Watch your opponent closely. Anticipate their moves based on their body language. Use feints to confuse them and create opportunities. Here's your cliffhanger. What if I told you that controlling your opponent's mind is even more powerful than controlling their body? Master the basics. These techniques won't just make you a better fighter, they'll make you unshakable in life. Spend 10 minutes a day practicing your stance, precision, and evasion. Small improvements lead to big results. If you're ready to level up even further, click the video in the end screen to learn how to increase your aura and command respect effortlessly. Master the fight. Master yourself. Let's begin.